fine, yeah. Go on through. Yep, alright, we're going on 3. Going on 3. Go. Chicken hawk, is that what it is? Yeah, looks like it. Somebody say home?
The brand. They're like the sickest of football.
Who'd they lose to, Ethan? Who? Georgia.
Texas.
No.
They've all lost like.
Yeah, they're coming. They're coming.
Behind the trees.
Behind the trees, starting to come up. Holy shit, that is a snow. Right above us, right above us. Out front of us. Oh my. Yeah, if you can. He'll come down. Here he comes, here he comes. He's coming around, coming around. Coming to our right. Right out front. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Got him.
Let's fucking go, dude.
I was getting ready to shoot. I
forgot Craig was on that end.
See, this is. I thought it was like a seagull or something, but. Yeah, that's
Banded, ain't it? Good shot. That's still a pretty good lick.
Yeah. Is that a Ross? Small for a snow, I guess.
I don't know. It's white.
It looks like a Ross, but gosh, dang, that thing's pretty. Holy
You know, you're gonna run out of money to mount all these birds.
That's freaking beautiful.
That's my first snow.
You gotta mount it.
I get it.
Yeah. Come on. Fuck. There might be a group behind them. So.
See if there's more. See if they walk down.
I'm shooting right at their fucking house. I can shoot some out front, but
Be quiet, let them walk.
They'll come down.
they too far to kill.
I mean, That's a, yeah, pretty
I
decent.
can't hardly tell. Look at them up on.
60, 70 yards.
Just let them do their thing. They ain't going nowhere until they pick up and leave. But live. Oh, here we go. Oh, this is awesome. If you want to. Yeah, we'll just, if they split this group, then we'll shoot the back group. Oh my god, that's freaking gorgeous.
They're on the fucking bar.
Nope, right here. Oh my god. The group behind him, the group behind him. Hold on. Yeah. This.
We should have shot that first group. Now what we're gonna do is blast them all up. We're gonna do something. They're gonna keep lining with them. They're walking up on the hill.
You gonna go on the count of 3?
Hold on. What do you think? You wanna let them just sit there and feed or shoot?
No, we can shoot them.
They're coming to us.
Or, I mean, if they're feeding to us, let them come. But if you think they're going up top,
I can't tell if they're feeding the other way. They are.
yeah, they're feeding up to the knob. I mean, more is gonna come, so
Can we bust them out of here or leave them?
that's fine. Yeah, go on through. Yep.
All right, we're going on 3.
Going on 3.
1,
Go.
Shoot that one. Everybody's out. Alright, we're gonna have to kill crickets.
Watch the houses.
Told you, they just cluster. Maybe.
mine's in my pickup that I left at Ethan's. He said the garage was heated. We go there, so I didn't know.
It's in photo.
Snapchat takes better pictures. I don't know what that's why.
I got, that's the picture I took.
You got your night mode on?
I don't know what I got on, but every time I take a picture in this low light, it works.
Yeah, because you got night mode.
Logan, do you want down here? You got enough room?
Yeah, I got room.
Fucking thing jammed up again.
Really?
It did.
Did you hear something?
Call him.
Oh, God. Mm-hmm.
Your new song suck, throw it in the trash. Sneaky link up, I'm just trying to smash. How that one TikTok go? It be like splash.
Bitch, that let you know how my ice be. She here for one night, cause she like me.
Virgo Go, man, one of the hardest producers, man.
say? No. Shut up. Ride with the tool like mechanic. Try get behind us, nigga, don't panic. How he look asleep, he ain't pop no Xanax. Your whole game disappeared.
You're gone. Most of them.
There we go.
We're on about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
That one's pretty coherent, so you have to.
Those ones are walking on the bank. Where?
No, they're just on the bank, but they're at the edge. They ain't gonna walk. That one's pretty coherent.
Fuck yeah.
We just fucked them up.
That was awesome. That was fucking sick. Oh, that was beautiful. You can't ask for much better than that.
I don't even know what the hell. I grabbed a hand. What a fucking ass kicking on those. My goodness.
How many do you think was it 20, 25?
We killed at least
I
half
feel
of
like
their
that
family.
looked about the same size as the group that flew off this morning.
Big old,
There's your fortune.
big old pink fuzzy steering wheel, just full
You
carpet
got the little,
interior.
you know, lot lizard cab lights on there that you can like turn on, say which way you go. You know, if you go back door, front door.
Yeah, just have an open sign on the window. Or what's it for cruises? What do you put the
Look, he's
pineapple
got it,
on
he's got
there?
it on video too. Let's talk about lot lizards.